Today I thought I would just change my two big boys since when I bought the Ollie ogre from the Rose Doll Show. I had bought some clothes for him and I haven't changed him, and so I got Joseph here also because they seem to be about the same size. I actually think that my ogre here has a Joseph chest plate, so that's who I just thought we would change into an outfit from the clothes that I bought for Rollie here. I almost changed his name to Arlo because someone had mentioned that Arlo was a really cute name, because the girl ogre is Orla and Arlo is just Orla kind of mixed around, but I just decided to keep him Rollie because that's what I originally kind of felt like was a good name for him. So we're going to change him. And then I have my little peaky-eyed Joseph asleep, 3 months. Let's see, Rollie is the Ollie sculpt. He is a creature kit, and he was sculpted and made by Jody Lombardo. And his artist, I didn't go get his artist, but he has a really good artist because he's really cute. And then this is the Joseph asleep, Reborn Joseph, 3 months asleep. But Pumpkin Sparkles Babies painted him, and she wanted to try doing a peaky eye. So this was her, I don't think she ever did another one. This was her peaky eye that she made. She cut open his eye to kind of make it peeking, and he has a little eyeball in there. And I had these glasses that I bought for one of my other reborns, and they just never really looked good on him. And one day I saw him sitting there and I'm like, those glasses would look cute on him with those little peaky eyes. So these are Joseph's glasses that I keep on him. So, and his name is Theon. So we're going to change Theon and Rollie today. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit them in here very well together. They're about the same size. Rollie, yeah, his head is a little smaller, and I've kind of thought this whole time that his head was kind of small for his body, but so his head is a little smaller than Joseph's, but body-wise, they're about the same. Joseph might be a little thicker. And I just have these clothes from the original haul, and I have not changed him, and he has not been changed forever. So it's still summer, so I thought we could put on one of these summer outfits. So I have this gray, busy doing nothing, little beach themed island onesie, this jungle themed onesie, be cool, be kind, be happy onesie. I have a pair of camo shorts, some palm tree shorts, and then I also have like a one piece and little shorts, romper, a salmon-y color with creamy white stripes, 2 wooden buttons, and it's sleeveless. So I kind of thought that might, when I bought it, he has the chest plate, so I thought that could be cute on him. So maybe we will put that on him just for fun. And then, so let's put that on Rollie. And Joseph over here, maybe we will just do gray on gray, which sometimes matches, sometimes doesn't. So let's see how that matches. And we'll do the palm trees with the palm tree shorts. And the grays seem to be, I don't know how they're coming across, but they seem to match pretty well. So that is the outfits that we will change into. And I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna move Joseph, or Theon, over here. Excuse me, the sneeze never came out, but it sure tried. And let's change little Rollie hair first. This is his little monster that I've kept with him since I got him. He might have taken him from my little Joe. Little Joe had a monster that I kept with him, and I'm not sure if that's the one that it is. This was also with my little vampire fairy girl, but he just needed a little friend hang out with him, and so he's had that with him. Like I said, I have not done much with him since I got him. I haven't been doing much with any of the Reborns really, but I thought today would be a good day to change a couple of them and to say hi with them, since we had a few moments to ourselves. A few minutes to ourselves. Let's unsnap this. I was watching after I bought him and his sister. I was watching for the release of their kit, and I saw another one painted on reborns.com like a month ago or a few weeks ago, and just now I could not remember who the sculptor was, the artist that sculpted them, and so I looked her up. I could have looked on his back, but I looked them up, and I saw a whole bunch of other little ogres that have been painted, and that's really exciting. They're a really fun kit, and I think they're really cute. And like I said in the video of when I got him, this hand is like my favorite thing. That's like the selling point of him. I don't know what it is. I like how it's sculpted, and I like how it's painted too. Maybe that just two things together. And his big feet. He's like a big old puppy dog or something. But anyway, so we're going to put this on him. And I just got all of these from Walmart. It's a Modern Moments 12-month. And they're a little big, but if I was to ever wash them, I would still want them to fit. But since they're new, I haven't washed them yet. And this will be fun with his chest plate. Like I said, this is a Joseph chest plate, and it just kind of helps him sit up better, and it makes him feel bigger. But it'll be cute with a tank top because you can kind of see like his neck and stuff through it. Hopefully, right? And this finger's fun too. This little pointer finger. I probably need to sit up better because I can't even see if you can see him. I thought it would be good to put like this other blanket underneath him, but I'm wondering if I should have just left the gray. This blanket, I got it in a box opening. I can't even remember who or where, but it is one of my most favorite things that I've gotten in a box opening. I really love this blanket. I think it's cute. It's a perfect baby size to lay them on. I've taken lots of pictures with babies laying on it. So I thought it would be fun to just lay it down for the boys. Okay, so here's Rollie. Rollie in, his diaper's kind of pooching up, in this cute little striped summer romper, short romper. And see how fun it is to have the chest plate, because normally this would be big and his cloth body would be showing. But because he has that chest plate, can you see? It looks good. I'm almost wondering if that light is too bright, but I don't think I can get to it to change it right now. So sorry if this is an overly bright video. Let's set him over here with his little monster in his new outfit while we bring in Joseph. And I'm going to keep his feet bare because I love his feet and I like to see the pinks and the greens. So right now he's going to have bare feet. So here's Joseph. I have not changed him forever, as I said before. He's a little chubby, chub. His name is actually Theon. I'm calling him Joseph. That's his kit name. This is Theon. Look at those legs. I always kind of wanted a Joseph kit, and I had looked at them mostly as girls, and then I can't remember why I was talking to Chelsea from Pumpkin Sparkles about Peaky Eye babies, and she said she wanted to try one. I think I wanted one done, and I was kind of seeing how she, like, testing the waters, how she felt about it. And then she got back to me and said that she had this kit and she was going to make it one. And so she made him, and I was interested right away. And she also, because it was her first try, her first attempt, it was a little rougher than she wanted it to be. And so she thought it would be good if he went to someone that was understanding because of that. And so I was happy to be able to get him. And he is painted lovely, just like all of her dolls that she makes. I love his hair. Should we look at his hair? See his hair? The light is so blurry. And he's got some little marks on his face and his head. I don't think he has... Oh, he has a little mark on his leg. And I always think that he has a birthmark, because about the same time as she made him, she made one with a birthmark. But so for some reason, and I have that one too, so I always think he has a birthmark, but no birthmark, just some little scratchies. So what did we say? We were going to put this gray, busy doing nothing little onesie t-shirt on him. It's also a Garanimals. I'm sure it's about 12 months. Yep. So it's a little big, but big is fine. Big is better. So he's got these pudgy little hands. I mean, he really is just 3 months, but he's the size of a big old boy. And 12 months, I don't think you could get smaller than 12 months, or it's going to be so squishy even on his arms, because look at that. I have a grandbaby right now. She was actually born as a preemie, but she is, what is she? Ow. She's like 8 months, 9 months. And I bought her some jammies, and I was looking at them, and I thought, gosh, the 12 months look like they're almost too small. But I bought them anyway because she's only 9 months old, and they were way too small, and I had to go and get 18 months. So there's lots of babies out there who are only 3 months, 9 months old, wearing 2T 18-month-old clothes. But I think a lot of times once they start crawling, moving around, they thin up. But my little Joseph here is not going to thin up. We're just always going to be able to enjoy him being a little chubby wub. So there's the shirt, and he looks adorable. I really do love this baby. I just don't ever get him down or do anything with him. It's kind of a running theme that I have going just with all of my reborns at this time is I have, like I put up that last video, I have some for sale. And mainly they're just for sale just because they're not getting any sort of attention or anything done with them, except for maybe getting dusty heads. I was going to try and cut this because I had some scissors, but now it's all knotted up. But I don't want to sell him. And I think he's painted nice. I love his hair. His eye is a little rough, so I don't think that anybody, okay, somebody might, but I don't know if he would get the love and attention or the love and care that was put into him would come across for somebody that didn't know, that was just buying him after me. Sorry if I keep sticking my hair in the camera. Just all sorts of awkwardness this morning. Busy doing nothing. So he's got the little palm trees. Should we tie this? I don't really want to tie a knot in it. Let's see what it looks like. It's not that bad. So little pine trees. Look, he's even got pine trees. Have I been calling them pine trees this whole time? Palm trees on his shorts and on his shirt. It's a little beachy boy. Everybody's gone back to school, so don't know how much more beachiness we'd be having anyway. I'm going to put these little socks. They have the color kind of like the sun and the beach sand. Sort of. It kind of matches the bright orange and the navy blue and white. I'll put some sockies on these chubby feet. Mainly for when I do set him back up on the shelf, that it protects the back of his heels or any other thing that may get rubbed on, because we don't want that happening. And they just kind of look cute, the stripy socks. So there we go. Little Theon, my little peaky-eyed Joseph. But he needs his glasses put back on. And I always put the glasses, when I first put the glasses on him, I thought, he needs glasses because of his poor eye and the other one's shut. But that's because he's peeking, so it's kind of he doesn't need glasses, but in my head I was like, oh, the glasses help him see better. Because he only has a little peaky eye, but the other one's just sleeping. So, but he looks cute in them. So there's Joseph. These guys are so big, they just don't even fit. And the camera is just so awkward. And we got Rollie here, his little monster, and his little outfit. This is so cute. It kind of reminds me like the old school swimming suits. Let's see. Should we take this off? No, there's the boys. You can see the light in his glasses. The cute boy. See that cute peaky eye and his little outfit. And Rollie over here with his adorable feet. And his cute pointy finger, and this favorite of mine, his hand, and his adorable little face too. So there's the boys, changing them into summer outfits. I keep feeling like summer's ending, but it hasn't yet, so I think it was okay to get them into some summer outfits, and I'm just glad that we were able to do it before it got cold again. So I hope you're all doing well. Try and do a few more changing videos. I don't have any reborns coming. I'm not really looking for a reborn at this time because I just want to enjoy and love the ones that I have. So I hope you will join me as I share them, and thank you and appreciate you, and I love you all. I'll talk to you again soon.